Hi, my name is Li Yang. I'm the co-founder of Yois Design and the creator behind this project. For the past 8 months, we have been working hard designing and developing this product, so now it's production ready. However, we want your help to raise enough funding to pay for our first production run. Please pledge for one of our fantastic rewards, or you can tell your family and friends about our project. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you can be part of our story.